What's up, YouTubers? The video on the 2006 radiator cooling fan. Just want to show y'all guys how to take out the fan blade and the motor.
The motor?
Really, bro? You? That's my wife over there cracking jokes.
It's called a motor.
Motor.
Not a motor?
Motor. Good Lord, you son of a woman. Anyways, let's see where we're at.
You're on the ground.
I see that. Alright. Took this blade off. Fan blade. Whatever you want to call it.
Some cheap plastic.
That's pretty cheap, alright. Here's the motor I put in there. It's the motor I took off. Probably cheaper to just buy one if you don't have a spare one. Here's the socket that I use is a 8-point socket. You can buy them at Napa, somewhere where they sell any type of tools. Here's the little 8-point nut that it has. Let me see if I can get this beautiful young lady here to hold this phone right quick. Alright, you're too far, you're too far. Anyways, what you do, try to set it to the points, because they will break. So you can see I already broke some, messing with it. Give me a little hammer, get a little tap. There's an arrow. You want to turn the blade the same way that the arrow is pointed, which is this way.
And voila, magic. Gotta put that in there.
Really? Alright. Then you'll see some rivets. As you can tell, if you look at the back, they're a little smaller than the inside. So what you do, you get your drill. Drill right in the center. And once you do that, you knock it off. If it doesn't fall off by itself. Just grab your little chisel. Bang it out. Once the motor's out, so you can see. You toss the old one away. No bueno. Buy some nuts. Locking nuts. Just put it back in place, as I did. And when you come to put the fan back on, you have a smaller, what would you call that? Lip? Whatever it's called. Just the other one. That's a smaller one. I got two big ones. Just make sure you set it on the smaller one to sit with the smaller one, which is this one. It only sits one way. Oh, so you turn it to where it falls. There he goes. Young lady, can you hold this for me again? One second. So mama's too cheap to buy me a video camera. Alrighty, it's back set in place. See if I can find, there it is.
A little tap. What I do? Let me see the blade, the arrow pointing this way, so now we're going back. Just put it on. There it goes. What is it? Voila? Voila?
No, it's voila.
Voila.
Oh man, you just messed up. I can't even say it anymore.
That's all right. It's not gonna take long. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh, it didn't work. Come on, baby. Get in there somehow. There he goes. Oh, look at that. Don't forget, it's an 8-point socket, 1/2 inch. You buy that at Napa. I'm not sure if O'Reilly might have it, but I had it in my toolbox, so I don't even know what it was for anyways, but that's it.
Wow, you're so awesome.
That's all she wrote. Save me $100. It'll be $180 if you buy it at the auto parts. That's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that that'll help someone. Till next time. Thank you.